Now we have the whole aircraft put back together, put the electronics back in it. Wasn't a lot to it. The holes and everything was already there. The covering turned out really sharp. It really looked nice whenever I got it back together. And tomorrow we're going to take it out to the flying field. I may ask my grandson to just kind of see if he can tear it apart and how well it will fly. We balanced it. I still have to work on the canopy. I'll get the canopy going here shortly. I'll probably just make a video on what I did to get the canopy on it and how I went about doing it. As you can see, the aircraft really is pretty. The shine is there. The covering job, even though I'm multicolored here, doesn't look that bad. I'm a little worried about the color scheme with the clear, both sides. It won't be too bad if I don't fly it too far from me, but if I get it too far away, I actually believe it might be a little hard to see, but the proof will be in the pudding tomorrow at the flying field. And here it is, ladies and gentlemen. This is how you rebuild a crashed aircraft. Like I said, I've got about 6 hours total time from start to finish. Forgive the mess of my workshop. That's just the way that I've done it forever. And I don't know if I can change it this date.
Should I stand behind it?
Stop.
No.
Stop recording. Stop.
All right, I'm filming already. You turn up this.
Right.
Yeah. Let's stand on her nose.
A little too nose heavy for that, but it'll do it.
Oh, that color scheme sucks. I lost it 3 times there. I'll get some of that stick-on yellow and make 2 wedges and come out. You know what I mean, son?
Yeah, that'll make it brighter.
Well, at least it'll let me know top and bottom. All right, I'm going to shut down.
Want me to get the liner?
Oh, sure.
$10 flying play night or something. Damn.
Well, when you can scratch build, this shit's easy.
Yeah.
The cowl's going to take me a little while, so I'm going to have to.
There you go, Grandpa.
Well,